Hi, I'm Dr. Bob Bulger, one of the attending physicians at Southwest Pain Group. Patients come in sometimes and tell me they had a pain block, or they ask, what is a pain block? There's a lot of confusion about what that means. So a pain block is a specific application of a small amount of anesthetic medication, and typically some kind of a cortisone solution, to a unique area of the body, such as a joint, a nerve, to help relieve your pain. The most common pain blocks would be things like a trigger point injection or a joint injection. You've probably known someone that's had their hip injected or had bursitis and received an injection for that. Baseball pitchers get injections in their shoulders, and athletes get injections in various locations. So it's not an uncommon thing, but the most common pain block is an epidural block. Now you're probably thinking, wait a minute, I thought epidurals were just for ladies having babies. And it's true. The anesthesiologists place epidurals for pain relief during labor and delivery. But in fact, because we're the epidural experts and the epidural space is right next to the spinal space, we're frequently asked to place medication in the epidural space to relieve the pain of a pinched nerve or ruptured disc. So more than likely, if you've been told you need an epidural injection, it's probably because you have a bulging disc, sciatica, or some kind of a back condition. We're the experts at that. If you've been told you need a pain block or an epidural injection, you need to know that anesthesiologists are the epidural experts, and the physicians of Southwest Pain Group are board-certified, fellowship-trained pain specialists with lots of experience and skill in those procedures. We have 4 offices, convenient locations, with state-of-the-art procedure suites that can provide that service for you.
State-of-the-art solutions, fellowship-trained physicians. It makes a difference at Southwest Pain Group.